Welcome to Nature Nurture Hub. Imagine a garden that captures everyone's attention with stunning purple globes floating like fireworks. That's the magic of alliums. Allium giganteum. Allium, also known as ornamental onion, is one of the most breathtaking flowering plants that can instantly elevate your garden's look. If you're a gardening beginner in the USA dreaming of a low, maintenance yet show-stopping plant, Allium giganteum is your ideal pick. These giant flower spheres rise above green foliage, bringing elegance, height, and vibrant color to your outdoor space. Growing alliums, Allium giganteum, might look intimidating at first, but it's surprisingly easy once you understand its needs. This blog will guide you step by step on how to plant, grow, and care for allium like a pro. Whether you live in sunny California, chilly New York, or anywhere in between, the best time to start with Allium giganteum is in fall when the soil is still workable but cool enough for root development. The bulbs should be planted before the ground freezes, ensuring strong growth by spring. Alliums thrive best in USDA hardiness zones 5 to 9, making them suitable for most regions of the United States. The first key to success lies in soil preparation. Alliums love well-drained soil. Think sandy loam or soil enriched with organic compost. They dislike soggy conditions. Waterlogging can quickly rot the bulbs. Before planting, loosen your garden soil to a depth of about 12 inches and mix in some compost for aeration. When it's time to plant, space your bulbs around 8 to 10 inches apart, depending on the size, and ensure each bulb is planted about 3 times as deep as its diameter. This depth helps the bulb stay protected through winter frosts and ensures strong stems when they emerge in spring. Sunlight plays a crucial role in their beauty. Allium giganteum thrives under full sun, ideally 6 or more hours daily. The more sunlight it receives, the taller and brighter the blooms become. In shaded areas, the plant may still grow, but the flowers will be smaller and less vibrant. Watering is simple yet vital. Once planted, water thoroughly to settle the soil. During the growing period, alliums need moderate watering, about once a week if rainfall is low. The key is to let the soil dry slightly between waterings. Overwatering can suffocate the bulbs, leading to decay. When spring arrives, the magic begins. By late April to early June, tall stems rise gracefully, each crowned with a globe-shaped bloom that can reach up to 6 inches across. These blooms can last for several weeks, and even after fading, their dried seed heads add architectural interest to your garden. Fertilizing Allium giganteum is optional, but can boost growth and bloom intensity. Apply a balanced 10-10-10 fertilizer at the start of spring. For organic gardeners, bone meal or compost tea is a great alternative. Avoid excessive nitrogen as it promotes foliage growth over flowers. One of the biggest advantages of Allium giganteum is its natural pest resistance. Because of its onion scent, deer, rabbits, and most garden pests tend to stay away. However, keep an eye out for bulb rot or fungal issues if the soil stays damp for too long. Once the flowering season ends, let the foliage die back naturally. This process allows the plant to store energy for the next growing season. After the leaves yellow and dry out, You can trim them back neatly. The bulbs can stay in the ground year-round in mild climates, but in colder zones, you may lift and store them in a cool, dry place during harsh winters. For gardeners seeking a long-lasting, low-maintenance display, companion planting works wonders. Allium giganteum pairs beautifully with plants like hostas, daylilies, peonies, and ornamental grasses. These companion plants fill in the gaps once allium finishes blooming, maintaining visual harmony. Container growing is another great option. Choose a pot with excellent drainage holes and use lightweight potting mix. The same rules apply. Plant the bulbs deep, water moderately, and ensure full sun exposure. Container-grown alliums can decorate patios, balconies, or small gardens beautifully. If you're eager to propagate, alliums can be multiplied through offsets. The small bulbs forming around the mother bulb. Carefully separate and replant these after the flowering season ends. With patience, you can build a garden filled with these majestic orbs without buying new bulbs each year. Alliums also make exceptional cut flowers. Harvest when the blooms are just beginning to open, and they'll last up to 2 weeks indoors. Their unique shape makes them perfect for floral arrangements, adding height and texture to bouquets. Caring for Allium giganteum year after year is easy. Mulching in fall helps maintain moisture and provides insulation. In spring, simply remove the mulch to allow sunlight to warm the soil. Divide bulbs every few years if growth becomes crowded. In essence, Allium giganteum isn't just a plant. It's a statement piece for any garden. Its towering stems and bold spherical blooms bring a sense of sophistication and joy that lasts through the seasons. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned gardener, this plant rewards patience with elegance. So, are you ready to bring these magnificent purple stars to your garden? Start today and watch your outdoor space transform into a living masterpiece of color and height. Grow with Nature Nurture Hub. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more inspiring plant care guides, tips, and seasonal gardening secrets.